If you're getting the Unreal Process crashed error in the 7 Deadly Sins origin, here are some quick fixes you can try. Start by restarting the game a few times and also restart your PC. Sometimes this alone fixes the crash. Next, try launching the game from the installation folder instead of Steam. Or run the game.exe file as administrator. You can also adjust compatibility settings. Right-click the game.exe file, go to Properties. Compatibility. Enable Run as administrator. Try Windows 8 or Windows 7 compatibility mode. Disable full-screen optimizations and enable high DPI scaling set to application. Make sure your antivirus or Windows security is not blocking the game. Add all game.exe files to the allowed list and allow them through the firewall. Also reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat from the game folder and run it as administrator. This is important for fixing crashes. Try adding launch options like -DX11 or -DX12 in Steam and check which one works better. If the issue continues, verify game files from Steam. You can also update your graphics drivers and Windows. If needed, perform a clean driver installation. Finally, try to move the game on a different drive, preferably an SSD. These fixes should help you resolve the crash and run the game smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.